Hello everyone and welcome back to Storky Farmstead. So my name is Samantha and most of you have been on this journey with me for 2 years now, and you know my history, my story, the salvation and the testimony to Jesus, the things that God has done for Stephen and I. But y'all, this, I kept crying all the way here because for years I was inaccessible to my children by my own poor choices, and through the redemptive healing of the Holy Spirit, He has redeemed back to me everything that the locust rolling stole from me. And picking up my daughter after not seeing her for 14 months, like you just know. If you know, you already know, and a lot of you do know. I get your emails and your texts and your phone calls talking about how you've fallen out with your children, how you lost contact with your kids, how drugs, either for you or for them, bad divorces, whatever the case may be, you struggle to reconnect with your children. Let me just give you a word of hope. Let me give you a word of hope, folks, because if He can do it for me, He can do it for anybody. And I pray that for all of you, that He just continues. Huh?
10:42.
Has it landed? Is it landed over there?
No idea.
Let's go check. No, they backed it up 5 minutes. Torture. False alarm. False alarm. We have 4 more minutes and she should be taxiing in right now. So I'm so excited. I don't know if I'll get her on camera, you guys, because she's a lot more shy than I am. She is an introvert where her mother is an extrovert. And that causes issues sometimes. But she's a young woman who just flew halfway around the world and has been on airplanes for a total 23 straight hours. She is not going to want me putting a camera in her face.
No, you don't need to.
No, that's what I thought about. I'm not going to. She's not that type of person. She's not. Though she did a lot of videos with my dad back in the day.
Yeah, but
right now we have
time.
That's it. It's personal time. So thank you guys for being here with us. We love y'all. We're picking up our kid. We're going home. We'll see you tomorrow. This thing keeps following me. Back off. IA. All the videos I do, they know who I am. Look at it. It's recognized me right now. It is kind of cool, but still, somebody could have had that job. I'm upstairs, you guys, literally by security, where they come in off the plane. And I get this text message from my husband, and I hear him yelling. I look over the balcony right here, and he's like, check your phone, check your phone. And I check, and he has like a flight app, and he goes, she's taxiing in. Now that's true love. He's down there watching her flight pull in because he knows I almost can't contain myself. Like, I think I'm fixing to embarrass my introverted daughter literally to death. 14 months. No! I was in the wrong place! Oh! I'm so glad you're beautiful. You're real.
I've been tracking you.
Tracking me.